So here's an idea for a tasty, tasty quiche. Just grab a pound of your favorite cheese, shredded, and a pound of spinach. I mean, you could substitute any other cheesy vegetable if you want, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And a pound of bacon, of course. You're gonna kind of shred that up, cut it up, toss it in there. Next up, crack 12 eggs, you cracker. Like so. You only need one hand. Don't get those fancy machines. This is all you need. See? Easy. Alright. And do it in a bowl just in case you get some eggshells. You gotta pull them out of there before you mix it all together anyway. And forks make the best whisker. So next up, fry your bacon to your liking, and go to your arts and crafts drawer and pull out your scissors so you can cut the bacon. Yep. And then toss that shit in. Yeah, bacon, bacon madness. Oh, yeah. Bacon madness, bacon madness, bacon madness. Grease these fingers, everybody. Next up, toss your favorite tasty flavors in there. Oh, I think I ran out of onion powder, but yeah. And then toss your eggs. And then it's just easier to hand mix this thing. Yeah, so get down and dirty. Oh, it's still cold from the frozen spinach. And another idea is to add a couple of breakfast sausages in there. You can put beef jerky in there if you want to. Then flatten it out a little bit. Try to make sure there's an even distribution of bacon, or else you'll be sorry. Yeah, I used to put olive oil in there just to, grease it up a bit, but now that I'm using bacon, there's enough grease in there to, keep it nice and slick on the sides. There you go. There you go. Alright, you can top it off with some Parmesan for a nice little crisp on top. There you go. See? Look at that. Yeah, boy. Breakfast quiche. Guess it's not really a quiche. Whatever you want to call this. You could just toss it all into a crust, a pie crust if you want. Next up, preheat your oven to 350. Oh shoot, there's already stuff in there. Oh well. And let's say about 40 minutes, 45 minutes just to be safe. Sounds good. We'll see you later. Aw, look at the puppy. Aw, look at the puppy on the mug. It cooled down about 20 minutes. This quiche, casserole, or bake, whatever you want to call it. Fun treat. Because it has bacon in it. That's why it's a fun treat. Put the sides in there. You can leave it in longer if you want, like more crusty sides. Alright, who wants the end piece? High definition bake casserole quiche thingamabob. Go. Yeah, so there you have it. Baked casserole quiche thingy. Perfect. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or dessert if you want. Alright kids, enjoy. I'll see you around. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye.